Hello and welcome to the White Dog Garage YouTube channel. My name's Bob. If you watched my phone holder build video, you would have seen that I had to deal with a bent brad point drill bit. And if you missed it, here's it now. So, I thought I would have a go at straightening that drill bit. Normally you would use a press and fiddle about, but some years ago I read in a machining magazine about a shaft alignment tool that somebody had built and was using, and I thought I would make one. And this is it here. Consists of a shank which goes in the lathe tool post and a bearing which goes against the shaft that you want to align. And the video is about the making of this tool and my use of it to align the brad point drill that was bent. And I hope you enjoy. Based on memory, I did a sketch of what the tool will look like and gathered up a bearing in a piece of 75mm by 25mm or 3" by 1" mild steel with which to make it. The first thing I did was cut out a 125 by 25 by 25mm or 5 by 1 by 1" blank using the bandsaw. Having cut out the blank, my next job was to work out how far in from the end the bearing would actually sit. Having worked out where the bearing will sit, I then drill a 10mm hole in the blank to take a bolt that will hold the bearing in place. Next I machined the blank down to 22mm square using a 50mm face mill, thus removing the mill scale from the blank at the same time. With the blank squared up, I then proceeded to machine one end to become the tool shank, and this was machined to a 15mm square so that it can be held in my lathe tool post. I'm doing this using a 20mm end mill. I then machined a 12mm slot in the head of the tool to take the bearing. Making the slot was going well until I caught the edge of one side of the head with the end mill and bent it in. Using a sketch as my specification and eyeballing the dimensions for the tool head, I've ended up with not enough metal holding the bearing mount, and this is probably why it bent in. However, not all is lost. One of the joys of working with metal, and steel in particular, is that you can always weld in a bit more. With the holder all finished, I assemble it for use. The bearing is held in place with a bolt, and 2 thrush washers, one on each side, will grip the inner race. Having made the tool, I can now put it to use straightening that brad point drill. The critical alignment here is that the axis of the tool's bearing is parallel to the axis of the drill, and that the longitudinal centre line of the tool is perpendicular to the drill's axis. The straightening is done by moving the tool into the drill bit whilst it is spinning, and with a bit of trial and error, the bit is brought back into alignment. The usefulness of this tool will probably depend on the size of the bend you are dealing with and the size of the shaft that the bend is in. There will be times where a press or even heat will be needed, but for straightening a small object like this drill bit, it seems to certainly work.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, I would welcome a thumbs up, and please share it amongst your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love a subscription, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to ding the bell down below so that you're reminded every time a new video comes out. But if you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. Check back every couple of weeks when a new video should be posted. Thank you again.